Hey guys, it's me, Alex, and today, this is my very first YouTube video, and today, you are gonna see me playing with slime, and but first we'll start out with the outside. Looks like a little barrel, and I don't know if you can see, but it says slime right there. And it says caution on the side. And that's pretty much all of it. So now for the inside. Let me just pop this open. On the bottom of the lid it's just black. I think you might already know that. And then here's some black slime. And on the inside, just black. And here's the slime. So gooey. And yeah, this slime, you can do fun stuff with it. Yeah. Very fun. Don't know, but I'll leave soon. And it gets messy, but it never stains. Ever. I got this at Dollar Tree. At Dollar Tree. And yep. And if you want to, you can see my little brother here. And here's my dog, Shadow. Well, not my dog, not my uncle's dog, Shadow. Here's Shadow. And yeah, he's black. His name is Shadow. He is like 16 years old. Oh, guess he wants to go bye-bye. So, yep.